So the dogs love it in the snow. I mean, in the same way that it gives us a different visual experience, I think they just get completely different scent experience. And if you watch them in the video, as ever, their noses are right down at the ground. I think just looking for the different smells. In fact, they've gone out of picture now because they're loving it so much. Here we've got them coming back saying, "Why are you taking so much time, Dad? We want to get out and enjoy Storm Bert whilst it's here." In a minute we'll get the warning from Freddie saying, "Hang on, why have we stopped?" In fact, it's not going to happen. No, so he's just giving the world a once over, and then we'll be off. Freddie, okay? George, okay?